Hello everyone, it's 27th of Feb and currently it's 11:25 p.m. So again tomorrow market is going to open and we have Nifty expiry tomorrow. So let's discuss what we are expecting tomorrow. So before that, again, yesterday I clearly told you in the video that is like put buyers are active, and also I gave you a very valuable information which you did. I mean, in the past also, if you check, if any YouTube channel or anyone gave this information, okay, now also no one gives. Okay, so this is a very valuable information. Like the put buyers at 17,300, they on Friday bought it at 43. Once they bought it at 43, okay. So yes, in the video, in a slip of tongue, I told that 17,400, so the correction would be 17,300. I clearly said that, okay, even after posting, just after posting the video. So yes, 17,300, the price went, I mean, even below 40 in the morning. So if you took I mean, if you took the position then, and also like if you check the levels, like here it came up and just at this level 17,440, which I have discussed, again it got resistance and straight away came down, right? Straight away came down to 17,300. Okay, so and the price I mean went double. So from that 40 rupees it went to 84 or something. Okay, so the thing is that I mean if you want such info, so you have seen that these info are not like random I pick up, so they work almost every time. Okay, so yes, if you want such valuable info even in the future, so please don't forget to like the video and share it among the other fellow traders. Okay, so now coming to the thing is that these levels 17,440 and 17,390. Okay, so these two levels, as we have discussed, they are working per I mean they should act as resistance. Okay, and talking about bank nifty is also near to its next resistance, that is 40,434. Okay, so both the indices are near to their resistance, and tomorrow I am expecting consolidation. Okay, why, I'll explain. So I think they would just even if they jump up, so these resistance so these zones will give some resistance, and again they might come down and again go up and come down, whatever it might be a consolidation, but with a bearish biasness. Okay, so there should be a bearish biasness. Why, I'll also explain. So yes, the next thing is that let's discuss our analysis. So yes, the same went with the I mean members also, and then there was a perfect time where the selling for opportunity came again, 11:05. Okay, so 11:05, if you notice, so bank nifty was less bearish, nifty was highly bearish. So 11:05, if you see here, this is the candle. Okay, 11:05, this is the candle, and it was a perfect opportunity for selling. Why? Because it the resistance zone was very near, 17,389. Okay, so yes, I mean we sold in this region, and then finally again it touched this level and it came down, and yes, it was a very I mean nice move, and yes, I closed my put buying, but again I'm still carrying my call writing position. Okay, and I have done call writing at 70,200. Here what I did was at 11:05 I bought some puts and was expecting that this VWAP would give, if that VWAP gave some resistance, it would have come down straight away from there, but it went up. When it went up here, then again I bought puts, and the average was a nice one, and then finally it came down. Okay, So either I knew that it would give some resistance here, or it would get resistance at 17,392. So it was a perfect situation here. Okay, so because the gap between these two are also very less, were very less, and so it was a perfect scenario, like where puts could be bought. And yes, puts were bought, and just before 300 I just closed. Okay, so yes, but again, I am still carrying the 70,200 call writing position, and I have done it for I have shorted it for 200 rupees premium, but at the end of the day it went to 250 rupees. But I don't have to worry about anything. 17,400 would also surely give resistance for this week's expiry. Okay, so even if it expires below 70,400, I'll be profitable. So that's why that was the major idea. That is, yes, 70,200 call writers were present. Okay, so I went with them, and the major idea is to eat a maximum premium. Okay, so even if it ends at 17,300, then also I'll get 100 rupees premium to eat. So yeah, let's see. Let's keep our finger crossed, and that was the analysis. Okay, and yes, talking about option chain, even if you look at here, that is 17,400 call writers are present, 17,300 also call writers are present. Okay, even some at 17,200 as well, like if you see here 17,200. Okay, so Nifty again has to come down. So this is nothing new. Like I already told you that if you have to trade in a bear market, so you have to get used to these spikes. Okay, and even in Bank Nifty also, these there are call writers at 40,000. Okay, though I mean you'll see that closing is occurring, but this closing is like the retailers who take position and they get afraid and they close. Okay, so yes, 40,000 also still huge call writers are there. Okay, so again things would have to come down eventually. We have to just give it time. Okay, so yes, and then talking about again FIs and DIs data. So again you see that FIs have started selling, but DIs somehow like controlled the market. But this is alarming. That is, now you see that the advance to decline ratio in the overall market is not in a good scenario. Okay, so now let's move on to the final showdown. Okay, so futures long almost the same. Future short heavy build up. So this is something like a heavy quantity in the futures. Okay, so let's see one more thing, like how much they have sold. So let's come here. So they also produce this data, or we can get it from FIS derivatives. So 682 crores in the futures, and let's say in stock, so 323. So okay, so yes, they have sold again futures heavily shorted, and let's come to put writing. So put writing has been done. Again, fresh call writing has also been done. So call writers, the FIIs who are call writers, they are not closing. They have further increased their positions. Call buying is for hedging. And put buying. So put buying has also been done in abundant. Abundant put buying has been done. Okay, to hedge these put writing positions. So these put writing positions and some call writing positions have been done in Nifty expiry. So again, so since both call writers and put writers are there in Nifty, so expect a consolidation. That's why I'm expecting a consolidation tomorrow, but with a bearish biasness. Why? Because of the heavy futures short. Okay, so even the prop decks also have increased their futures short positions, and they are overall call writers, and they have also done some put writing today. So that's why, like, overall, like, I'm expecting that uh, consolidation would go on, but with a bearish biasness. Okay, and note down the levels. So those levels should act as resistance, and that's it for this video. If you are new here, so you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Twitter for such analysis and such information which you can't get elsewhere. And yeah, the final verdict of today would be, again, that is, it's a bearish market. So again, I would stick to sell on rise, because and even in consolidation also, if it's a rise, so just sell it. And in some moment, things would again come down, and so you would be profitable ultimately. So yes, and overall, even like, if you want to see the picture, overall picture, so then also you can just if you're a call writer, then just go and write call and just sit and watch. Okay, give it time, it will just give you reward. Okay, so may not be like, suddenly it might not give you, or it might, but ultimately it will reward you. Okay, so that said, and yeah, so I've discussed everything. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.